In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Samsung phone not allowing me to make calls. Whether it's an urgent call you need to make or just catching up with a friend, being unable to place calls can be really frustrating. Don't worry though, we're here to solve that problem step by step. Let's start with the simplest solution, restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button on your Samsung device. Once you see the options on your screen, go ahead and tap Restart. Give your phone a moment to reboot. This process refreshes your phone's system and can resolve minor glitches. Once it's back on, try making a call again. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. If the problem persists, check if airplane mode is accidentally turned on. Open the Settings app on your phone. From there, tap on Connections. Look for airplane mode and make sure it's turned off. When enabled, airplane mode cuts off all wireless communications, which includes your ability to make calls. Once you've turned it off, try calling again. Next, let's ensure that you have a strong mobile signal. Look at the signal bars at the top of your screen. If the bars are low or there's no signal, move to an area with better coverage. Sometimes buildings or remote locations can interfere with signal strength. Once you're in a place with a stronger signal, try making a call. A strong signal is crucial for clear and uninterrupted calls. If you're still facing issues, it might be due to Wi-Fi calling. This feature allows calls over a Wi-Fi network but can sometimes interfere with regular calls. Open Settings once more and tap on Connections. Now tap on Wi-Fi calling. Turn this feature off to see if it resolves the issue. With Wi-Fi calling turned off, your phone will rely solely on the mobile network for calls. Try making a call again to check if this was the culprit. By now, you should be able to make calls without any issues. Each of these steps addresses common problems that can prevent you from making calls on your Samsung phone. Restarting refreshes the system, checking airplane mode ensures your phone is connected, moving to a better area strengthens your signal, and turning off Wi-Fi calling allows your phone to prioritize the mobile network. If you followed all these steps and the issue persists, it may be worth contacting your mobile service provider. There might be a network issue or an account setting affecting your ability to make calls. Remember, troubleshooting is often about isolating the issue step by step. You've done well by checking these settings and ensuring everything is in order. Thanks for following along today. I hope this guide has helped you resolve the calling issue on your Samsung phone. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips and solutions in our upcoming videos.